Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a dip powder kit from a company on Amazon. The company known as Hisome reached out to me to try out their dip powders, and this is the set that they sent to me, and as you can see, it came sealed, so there were no spills while it was in transit. The dip powders have no names, but they do have their assigned numbers, so I swatched the dip powders for you guys to see. I also showed the dip powders in natural lighting as well. Most of the dip powders were nice to work with. They were also finely milled. There were some that were a bit grainy, such as the white dip powder, and the blue was a tad bit grainy, but not that bad. The dip powders I'll be using today are number 21 and number 22 and Revel clear dip powder. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail, and then I dip it into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Starting on the middle nail, I apply a thin layer of base and then I dip it into the solid blue dip powder. I did 3 layers of that on camera, and then I built up the nail with the blue dip powder off camera. I didn't use the clear dip powder for this nail. I also did the same for my ring finger as well. This dip powder didn't apply as smooth as I'd like, but filing fixed that. It was a bit grainy, but it was manageable. The glitter is really beautiful as well, and I really liked working with the glitter. On the index finger, I'm doing a color block nail with the solid blue and the glitter dip powder. So when doing color block, always remember to angle your finger to get your desired design and leave your finger in the dip powder for about 5 seconds before moving on to the other dip powder. And also always brush off the excess before dipping into the other dip powder. I mainly brush off when I'm dipping from glitter to solid, but I rarely brush off when I'm moving from solid to glitter, because it's okay if some of the solid dip powder gets into the glitter but not the other way around. So I did about 3 layers of that. On the pinky I did the same, but I only showed 1 layer of that. Now back to the index finger. I don't think I needed to do that. I don't know why I placed another layer of the glitter. It looks fine on camera, but it probably didn't look that fine if I had to place another layer. Anyway, as you can see, the glitter area closest to the cuticle, it didn't reach full opacity like the others, and that's because the glue dried out before I reached that area. So I'll show you what I did to get that area to full opacity. So I placed a layer of base on the whole nail, and then using my clear dip powder, I tried to angle my finger into the dip powder, which was a bit difficult because I didn't have enough dip powder to angle my nail into. I had to use some of my good clear dip powder to add some more to the container. So I just angle my finger until most of the nail is covered, but not the glitter area closest to the cuticle. And then I dip into the glitter as well, and it reached full opacity from there. So I'm using my Revel clear dip powder, and I encapsulated the index and pinky nail with a few layers of the clear dip powder, but I only showed one layer. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. So this is after filing of the nails. Now using my Model 1's top coat, I apply shiny top coat to my index and pinky nail, and then matte top coat to my middle and ring finger and cure for 30 seconds. Now using my Model 1's blue gel polish, I'm doing a gift box kind of nail. I don't know what it's called, but it's like a present, so a wrapped present. So y'all can see what I'm doing here. And then I placed a rhinestone in the center where the lines cross, and then I poured the glitter, the powder on my nails and cured for 30 seconds. Then I placed some shiny top coat on the glitter area only so that it doesn't peel off or flake off, and then I cured for 30 seconds as well. If you like to purchase from Model 1's, you can use my code. I will leave a link in the description below. Now on the middle finger, I'm doing my twist to a peppermint swirl nail. So I couldn't do the whole nail on camera because I would have messed it up. So I did half of it on camera and then the rest off camera. Then I poured the glitter on the nail and cured for 30 seconds. Then I place some top coat on the glitter area and cured for 30 seconds. So if you guys are interested in these beautiful dip powders, I'll leave a link below. They were priced at $29.99 and you get 10 gorgeous colors and they are really nice to work with. So check them out if you'd like. When the nails cool down, I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!